In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually check your active domains in Shopify. Whether you're managing a bustling e-commerce store or just starting out, keeping track of your domains is crucial to ensure everything runs smoothly. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to easily monitor your active domains and make sure they're set up correctly. To begin with, you'll want to navigate directly to your Shopify admin area. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL for your store's admin page. The simplest way to do this is to log into your Shopify account and access the admin dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your store, and from here you can access a wealth of different settings and options. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu here with several different options. What we're interested in is the Settings option, which is usually found towards the bottom of this menu. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a new page where you'll see a range of settings that you can adjust for your store. Now that you're on the Settings page, look for the Domains option. Clicking on this will take you to the Domain Settings page, where you can manage all domain-related aspects of your Shopify store. Domains are essential in how customers find and access your store, so it's vital that this information is kept accurate and up to date. On the Domains page, you'll find various options regarding domain management. For our next step, we are focusing on reviewing the domains currently active for your store. At this point, you'll want to look for an option labeled Buy or Connect a Domain. Click on that. This will present you with details about adding new domains, but don't worry, what we're really interested in here is understanding your current setup. Now, to revisit the detailed list of domains currently linked to your store, look back at the Domains section. Clicking on it will allow you to review all the domains associated with your store, including any primary domains, subdomains, and any custom domains you might have purchased or connected. It's a good practice to verify any domain information displayed here to ensure you're aware of all the domains pointing to your shop and check if any changes are needed. That's all there is to it. You're now well equipped to check and manage your active domains in Shopify. Keeping a close eye on these can help maintain your store's online presence and ensure customers have a reliable access point to your business. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you feel more confident in managing your domains within Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.